Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, we are going to see how to make your photo sing a song using an Android app. I already posted a video on this topic long before. This is the updated video. So let's get started. So go to Play Store and search for Face Dance. I also share a link in the description. Install this app. After installing, click on Open, then click on Let's Start, and you need to choose face from camera or photos, and this app will make that face sing to a particular song. Let's select face from photos, select your image from the gallery, wait for some time. So you can pay for this app 460 Indian rupees for a week or 2700 for lifetime. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use the free version. So I'm going to click on X icon in the top left. So you can see there are many different options you can choose from. So these are the trending one and these are the new arrivals. So if you select any one from here, so I'm going to select Jingle Bell version 1 and click on choose photo and select your image and click on make it dance. Since this is the free version, you need to watch an ad. So now you can see your photo is singing a song. Due to copyright reasons, I'm not playing the song. If you want to download this, you can click on save. You can also share this video directly from this app. So click on share and share with your friends. If you want to add another person face, you need to click on this plus icon near here. Then you need to click on photos, select another face and click on make it dance. Now you can see you created the duet version. Now you can also save this same video. So you can also see in the recommended section, there are many different songs available over here. And in the top, you can see different options. On tap results, trending, new arrivals, songs. You can click on songs and you can select different songs from here. So you have many different songs. And you can also have meme versions. So you can see viral sounds and viral clips, etc. So this is how we can make our photos sing and vibe for a song. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching and bye.